Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Livia Made. Do you ever want to make one of these and you wonder how much to cut the corners to get your height and your width on the bags? Well, let me show you how I figure this out. Here are the 3 sizes of bags that I made just using paper because I didn't want to waste a lot of the material. So here I just got just an old piece of paper, it's a calendar, and I cut 12 inches by 16 inches, so let me show you that. All right, so as you see here, it's going to have a zipper, so you have to allow how much material you're going to add onto the zipper, which is usually about a 1/2 inch. Mark my paper 1/2 inch. And I kind of press hard because then it'll allow me to fold it a little easier on the crease. And I crease this side. All right, so my zipper is going to be sewn right here. So that's where this comes in place. All right, so now I'm going to find my center. And then I'm going to fold my bag just like 1/8 of an inch or so from that center point. So this, again, this is where you're going to have your zipper right here. So usually I stitch about 1/4 of an inch on both sides. All right, so cutting this corner, so 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 inch, or 2 inches, will determine your height on your bag and the width of your bag. Or I'm all about working smart, not hard. So you can also cut templates, 1.5, 2, and 1 3/4. Just set it here and then trace it. And that way you don't have to worry about always using your ruler when you have your templates already cut out.
And those are out of cardstock?
This is out of cardstock. Yeah. So then I just get my scissors. And I cut the corners. And you could cut the corners before you sew or after you sew. So it doesn't matter. So let's go to the machine and we'll just add a stitch here. Let's turn on my machine. I just do 4 stitch length. So here I'm just gonna sew across. So on the other side. Oops. All right, let's go back to the table. So now I'm going to make the creases so I could fold the bags, the paper easily. And basically anything that's going to make that, help you make that crease, you could use. Okay. See how easy that was just to make your creases with that? So now you just open up your bag. And there you go. You just, again, this is 1.5. So this is what you get, the corner. So this is 2 inches cut on the corner here on all 4 corners. So this makes the bag taller, but not as wide. This is 1 3/4. So if you see the the difference from this height to this height. And then this is 1.5. You see the difference from here to here and the width of each bag. So stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you how to transfer this paper pattern to fabric so you can make a bag. All right, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.